if they don't like it, I might turn up by myself.
So one of the most common things to hear is people suffer with shoulder pain and discomfort when they're pressing or doing any movements. A lot of that is having almost too much tightness and pressure almost within the shoulder, the capsule itself. This is a very easy way to test your mobility and also to improve your mobility through force stretching. So I'm going to take you through a very simple shoulder stretch. If you do 2-3 times a day, it will massively improve any shoulder pain you have, provided you're seriously injured, and improve your mobility. So give you an example. So what you want to do is lie onto the shoulder. You're going to try and stretch. Take your arm up, so your upper arm is flat on the floor. Ideally what we want to be able to do is get your hand to touch the floor down there. So as you can see, this is for example, I'm pretty tight. So I can come up to here, but I can't get down to the floor. And what we can do is try and stretch this out, to actually push the hand down, and hold this position for 10 seconds. Feel that all stretching through my rear delt, the inside of my shoulder, and relax. Feel it's eased off. Now, get closer to the floor, so that's probably a good 2 inches. Repeat it again. Relax. Feel like it's already dropping that pressure out my shoulder, and then look, nearly touch the floor. So, one more attempt. That's pretty much full range there. So an easy way as well, if you have problems with this, say if you can only get to like here, you can push against your hand to provide more resistance to being stretch. So you push against your hand for 10 seconds, then relax, let it go, and then push down again. You should find the range opens up again. So this is a very easy way to improve your shoulder mobility, your shoulder health,